Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are fine wherever you are watching me from. So today we are making this beautiful cow neck Draped Bubu Kaftan long dress. So the dress is very lovely because the material that we are using is very beautiful, as you can see on the video. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe. Now you can share my video with your friends. Please watch this video to the end.
Hi guys, we are making Draped Bubu cow neck, and it's a gown, the long one. So let me start with the measurements. The measurement that we have is 58. So we'll continue to mark our 58 to get our length. So this is the 58. We've gotten it. So the width of the body that we are using is 15. Everything that we are using now is 15. So we'll start with the measurements, starting from the neck. So let me chalk it to get that straight line. So this is the neck now. I'm marking 4 for the neck. It's a round neck that we are using. So I'm bringing it with 2. I want it to come up. I want the neck to come up, so I'm marking 2. So let me slope it, that is the shoulder side. I'm using ½ inch to slope the shoulder. So I've done it. So I'll take the measurement to get where we want to start with that our drape. I'm marking 29. It's 29 that I'm marking. Done. So don't forget, I've done this kind of style before, this drape style. You can watch my previous video and share it to your friend and subscribe, please. So this is the 29. So on this 29, that's where we'll mark. So what I'm marking there is 11. So I'm marking 11. You can call it style line or your half length. So anyone you prefer to call. So that is it. So now I will take it from here now. So let me take it. I hope my camera is showing you for you to see what I'm doing. So I'm just taking it to this point that I mark 11. So on this place is 11 that will take this my style line. You continue to mark that your level. So I'm continue marking from my style lines 11. So continue to mark that 11 to the length of the gown. So I'm continuing with the 11. So it's done. The marking is done. So what I will do now, because we have finished marking everything, just for us to cut it out now. So I want to cut from the next side. So I'm cutting from the neck. So from the neck to the shoulder, I'm cutting. So this is it. I do cutting. So I will also cut at the side. So I'm cutting from the side now. This is how the cutting will go. Continue to cut. So this your style line. Can you see what I'm doing there now? So you take it, just continue to cut out to get to the length. So I'm cutting it. So the cutting is done. So the cutting is done. So can you see how I've shaped out? So very lovely. So what I will do now, I'll go and stitch it on the machine, and I will also show you.
As you can see how the Draped Cowl neck Bubu Kaftan gown came out, very lovely. So please don't forget to subscribe. You can also watch my other videos. Thank you for watching.